Okay, everybody pay attention. If you're within 100 miles of Knoxville, Tennessee, now is the time you absolutely positively have to give your employees a raise. I talked about this 6 months ago at the Knoxville Real Estate Investor Meeting, that by the spring of this year, it was going to be extremely difficult to keep good employees because they were going to be hired away by your competitors. And the reality is that I have, in the last 10 days, have seen this personally happen to friends of mine who have businesses where really good customers cannot hire people. They've gone into my friend's business and hired their good employees away by giving them a 20 to 30% increase in pay. My friends feel good for their employees that they've had such a good job. They have such a good opportunity to move their life forward. But the problem is, where are they going to go to find somebody to replace the person that they had? If they'd stepped up 2 weeks, 3 weeks earlier, six months ago, like I told them to, and given the employees a raise, they would still have that talent in their business. And most recently, I have seen it on a personal level that my literal right arm has taken a job with a fantastic company. Now, I couldn't have met the opportunity that this company provides, but I can tell you, I feel good about the fact that I had made every opportunity to pay this person what they were worth, and when they delivered on the services, they were always well compensated. I'm telling you right now, the job market in East Tennessee is going to be insane over the next 6 months as everybody is scrambling to find talent that can deliver. So the one thing you need to do with this video is go and give your employees a raise today. Thank you very much.